Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amex app how to request credit card line increase. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can request a credit line increase on your American Express or Amex card directly in the mobile app. So what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Amex Express or American Express application and simply tap on the login option. Then enter in your username and your password and then simply tap on login. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply select the card which you want to increase, and then once you select it, you will be provided with option that's account services or card services depending on your app version. Then once you do select that, what you need to do is select request credit limit increase, sometimes called increasing speed spending limit. Then once that's done, enter the requested new credit limit and provide any required info like annual income, monthly housing payment or employment status. And once that's done, all you gotta do is submit the request, and some requests are instant and others may take a few days for review. You may get an instant approval or denial, or Amex may contact you for more info. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.